viewers, today we're making Bulgarian chicken soup with homemade broth, and in this video I'd like to show you how we make the homemade broth. I'd like to show you the ingredients first. So a lot of this is leftover pieces from other meals that I've cooked but saved, and the intention was to have them for the broth. So I have the stems of curled parsley, leftover carrot, a lemon, some pieces of onion from another meal, and another onion that is kind of faded. I will have a bunch of these little sweet peppers because the broth is for the soup, which it has sweet peppers in it, so the flavor is matching the soup. And of course I'll have some parsley, which is the stems and the leaves of stuff I haven't used from other places. So it's a great way to actually use leftover scraps. It will be delicious. And of course I have my chicken, which is bone-in thighs with the fat and the skin, the rough skin trimmed off, but a little bit of fat is on there. That's fine to flavor the broth. And those are the ingredients, other than we add a bay leaf and some salt and pepper. Let's go. It only took a few minutes, and so here we are. We're ready to start combining our broth ingredients. So I'm going to start with the parsley, sprinkle it on the bottom. My very roughly chopped onion, sprinkle that in there. The carrot, some more parsley. My red onion, which I'm not sure I can use for anything else. And then I have parsley.
Fine.
My parsley, my peppers, also sprinkled in there. I need my bay leaf, and then my meat. So we'll just arrange it on top of the veggies. And put a slice of lemon, which I cut in two because it was a very big lemon. But the lemon is important in there, not just for flavor, but also because it prevents from, once it's boiling, for the what we call scum. It's a foam that forms on top of the broth, and you have to go and scrape it off. But this makes it boil and does not form the scum. There we are, everything's in there. Now we add some salt and some pepper. Our bay leaf would flavor it nicely, and I add about 4 liters of water, but that's, you know, up to taste, how strong you want it. My gauge is usually to get it to where the rivets of the handles are actually connecting to the pot. So that's right, just about right there. And the only other thing is we wait for it to boil until the meat falls off the bone. That's when we know it's ready, and we'll be back. Guys, I think our broth is ready. So now we take the chicken out, which is really, really well done. And then we will strain our broth. See, it's almost falling already off the bone. There's 4. There's one more in here. Ah, there it is. You got a fish on that. Okay. This is my chicken. I'll deal with it in a few minutes. I'll cover it so it doesn't dry, and then handle my pot. There's our broth, and there's all the veggies, which we won't be using in the soup. Our broth. There. I can't see anything. glasses are completely clouded. The hazards of cooking without perfect eyesight. Here's our broth. Oh, it's beautiful. Rain and wind outside, and we have this comfy soup coming together. The aroma in the kitchen is unbelievable. But here we go. This is our chicken broth. And so next step is to prepare all the ingredients for our chicken soup. In the meantime, I'll keep this on a low heat so that it actually is ready to cook the soup. So, see you in the next video. Bye.